So when you're cutting these wires for these amp style crimps, you don't want your wire sticking out too far because it'll interfere with the lock on the pin there. You see that little lock right there? So you don't want it really sticking past that lock. If you see where my thumbnail is right there. So we're going to see how much we got here. But you also want it far enough in so this big end here, right there, catches on the insulation. Need somebody with some younger eyes to do this kind of work. So that should be it about there. Just far enough in, damn light. Just far enough in to where it catches. And it's on this big end's on the insulation there. Then we're going to use these pliers right here, which are the correct pliers for those. If I can actually see which one this is. I think it's that one. We'll find out here in a minute. You want to hold it flat. So that should be it there. Nope, that wasn't it. All right, we got one of them crimped. Let me see if I get the insulation side crimped here. And no, I didn't. It's the wrong size one there. That motion detector light's about ready to drive me crazy. All right, I think I got that one clamped. So it should basically, tang should bend over and kind of bite into the insulation there. I don't know if you can see that or not. See how it's bent over kind of perfect right there in the center? Damn light. So that's it for that one. Now let me get this one here. One that actually bends over the wire. Okay. That should be it there. Won't focus now. Yep. That is added safety. If you grab a hold of it and try and pull it, give it a good yank, we're good. So I don't know how much these are now. I've had these for a really long time. And I don't remember the codes on. There's A, B, C, D, E, which corresponds with what size the fittings are. There's different styles of these for different things. You got den connectors, which I have another pair of pliers for those somewhere. But anyway, you get the idea. Yeah, you can do it with these. And actually, you can buy these pliers like this with these crimp ends on them. I've got another set around here that are basically the same as these, but it's got the orange style ends on it. That actually do a good job, because usually if you try and just do it with these, they're going to be loose. Yeah, or you could solder them too. Takes a really long time if you're doing, 12 wires in a connector, or even 6. But it can be done. So too, on this wires, when you do them like this, this is going into, actually this isn't going into anything, I'm just doing this for demonstrations, but it'd go into this kind of connector here. So you don't really need any heat shrink on it. If you're doing another kind, I usually use heat shrink on the ends there. A good kind of heat shrink, the weatherproof heat shrink that has the glue in it. That stuff works really good. And if you're doing these connectors right here, when you do them, it's not a bad idea to pop some dielectric grease in there. I've got a can here that this one's actually a little bit better. Because you just pull the trigger and it comes out. So that's it for this little wiring demonstration. And my odds were better. It would have taken me 30 seconds to do it. But getting old, so I've even got glasses on and using this thing for a magnifying glass, which that's how bad they are. But oh well. Part of getting older, part of aging. So anyway, I think that's it for today. I'll probably do some more tomorrow. Maybe. Still waiting on my barrette for the CC's them heads right there, which I had ordered one and I actually ordered the wrong one. My mistake. So I had to send it back and reorder another one. That Amazon does some good stuff, good logistic company, huh? Anyway, that's it. You guys take care. Have a great weekend, Memorial Day weekend. Try not to drink and drive. Or actually, don't try. Just don't do it. Be careful out there. Be careful on the water. Be careful on the roads, wherever you're going. Just be careful. Everybody's in a hurry to get to the same place. Have a great weekend.